Good morning, besties. Welcome to Vlogmas day 18, I think. We have a lot we need to do today. I'm thinking about doing a Sunday reset today. You can see the state of my kitchen with like painting and everything. The chaos is just unreal. Let's do a Sunday reset. I need to refresh my home. We had a fun day yesterday, so I don't mind kind of hunkering down today and just getting everything cleared out. It's a little bit excessive. Sunny's drinking his water. Stay hydrated, my dude. But let's see what we can get done today and have a great day together. Happy Sunday, besties. What kind of Sunday morning would it be without some coffee? So good. Good thing I have my espresso machine because I heard today all Starbucks employees are on strike. I know the Starbucks right by my house. Nick just went by and he told me that they're on strike there. So good thing I have my coffee machine. Makes life a little bit easier today. No. Look who we ran into on the porch. It's Babe. With breakfast? Yep. Delish. Sounds amazing. Oh, the vibes. Wow, the new drive-through.
Hi, puppy. We settled down. We don't jump.
Look at this happy boy.
He's a hairy little beast.
He's so hairy.
You're a happy puppy. You are a very happy puppy. You need a little brother?
Look at his little tail.
You need a little brother?
Yeah, mommy can't handle another little brother.
Just a little fluff ball.
What about a human little brother? He says absolutely not. Absolutely
He
not.
said we're gonna be sharing toys. I will yank that binky and have it for myself.
I think these are my new plates that came in. So let's unbox these now. I'm trying to get as much put away as I can. And I think once I clean off this island, I'm gonna make it a rule like nothing goes back on top of this island after I clean it. Anything related to home improvement projects can go into that corner of my kitchen that you guys have probably seen already where there's a ton of paint and hardware and stuff. Let's open these plates, which is like my first official plate set that I've ever owned. Nick and I weren't waiting until we got married because who knows when that's gonna happen. Might as well get some now. They're a super classic dinner plate that is just so functional. It's glazed on the bottom as well. They're really, really good quality and they stack really well. So I'm so happy to have these. They're scratch resistant. They can be put in the oven up to 500 degrees. They're just a very, very good quality plate and they're made in England. Yeah, made in England, which is so cool. So I'm gonna stack these all in the sink. I did do dishes. I don't know if you saw over there before, but it was literally a hot mess. I was like, I don't wanna do these on camera. And then I didn't show it, but I spilled my coffee on my couch. On that acrylic tray that I have, I spilled my coffee in there and then I got on my couch and there's a ton of stuff on that tray because I've been needing to clean it. So that was a disaster. Anyway, I was like, oh, I'll just go to Starbucks. And I'm like, oh yeah, I made coffee because there's a strike today. So I could go to Lineage, but they're like 20 minutes away and I don't wanna go to 20 minutes for a tiny coffee that's this big, even though it's amazing. I'm going to put these plates in the sink since I finally cleared out a spot. And I think the shelf for the bathroom came, so we'll unbox that too in a second. But I need to get all of this off my island. Well, I just took a little break and time is flying by this Sunday. My goal was to get the whole house clean today, but I always have big plans and they're hard to achieve. So my new goal is just to get this second floor done for the day. And then I want to be done filming by 3, that way I can edit, just because I've been staying up super late editing and it's been so exhausting. So I'm just gonna finish up this room, and then the rest of the rooms on this floor will be super easy. So let's just finish it up. I'm gonna try to clean my upstairs off camera just to get it done because it's laundry. I'm literally wearing my painting leggings today because I ran out of leggings. And if you're wondering, I don't wear the same pair of leggings every day. I literally have multiple pairs of my Fast and Freeze from Lululemon and I just wash them every week. But yeah, let's finish cleaning, and then I know I said we'd do some Christmas stuff today, but I think I'm just gonna push it all together. I was gonna be doing a cookie baking video before my official baking day with my family, but that's not happening. So what I'm gonna do is film me baking cookies with Nick's family, and I don't know if they want to be on camera, so it might just be like me on the side of the island filming myself. At least you can see what I'm doing, and then I'll show you like the end result of everything. So that's what I'm thinking. I don't want to get too down about what I didn't accomplish yet, even though I had so much I wanted to do, but Christmas is coming so fast. It's already day 18 of Vlogmas, which is so insane. But let's get cleaning. We have a lot to do. The kitchen is clean. I have dishes that I'm still working on though, and I'm cooking dinner, so I figured I would take you along with me. Maybe I'll set up my other camera. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. I'm making that pasta bake I was telling you about. I wanted to do pulled chicken, but I never made the pulled chicken, so I'm using ground beef that I meant to use for chili that I also never made this week. It's been a hectic week. Right now I'm just trying to get up all the grease with a paper towel and some tongs from my ground beef. I literally have no idea what the name of this pasta dish is, but I'm just gonna show you the steps. It's kind of weird and different, but it tastes really good. I mean, I guess it's not that weird. It uses cream cheese, which I think is weird, but it tastes really good. And the other weird thing is I want whole wheat pasta, but Nick wants regular pasta, so I'm gonna do half and half and put it in the pan half and half, just because I honestly like the taste of whole wheat better, and I like the fiber in it, so that's why I use that for me. And I got Nick this bucatini, which is really fun, so. All right, all the grease is out of here. I'm gonna press in some garlic. I'm just gonna zoom you in so you can see what I'm doing. I'm using Rouse, which is normal, but I have this left over from the fall season that I haven't used yet, and it doesn't really taste like pumpkin. It's a Tuscany pumpkin pasta sauce. It mainly tastes like tomato sauce with just a tiny, tiny bit of pumpkin, but it's not sweet at all. So I'm gonna use this sauce in here as well just to use it up, but literally use whatever you have. While my sauce is cooking, I'm going to make the cheese layer that goes on top. So I'm doing cream cheese, some Parmesan, some spices, fresh garlic, because I think it tastes really good when it bakes in there, and maybe some other stuff. You'll see what goes in. I don't really have a recipe for this, and I know this is a dish that like I've seen before on recipe blogs, but I'm just using what I have. dish made so many leftovers. So this is after Nick and I ate our dinner, and there's this many left. It's insane. All right, besties, I realized I never ended this video, so I'm editing it right now, and I was like, oh, I need to do the outro. The only thing I got done today was cleaning the second floor. I went ahead and did the living room too, and the bathroom and the entryway, all of that. So tomorrow I do have more dishes I need to get done, and I want to clean that clear acrylic divider that I use for the dogs because they get their little snoot marks all over it. So I cleaned one panel and I was like, yeah, I'll do this tomorrow. I think what we'll do tomorrow is clean this top floor and do laundry and finish up the bottom floor, and then also put up some Christmas stuff. That's what I'm thinking will get done tomorrow. And I need to go to Costco. We'll see what actually gets done. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. I appreciate each and every one of you. I'll see you in the next Vlogmas video. Bye!